So here we've got a problem. The bar model I'm actually going to draw is slightly different to the one that's shown on your homework sheet. But we've got Mary. She's the presenter of a weekly radio show, and she always plays 5 new songs for every 2 old songs. Last week she played 15 new songs. How many songs did she play altogether? So the way I'm going to do this one, like I say, it's slightly different, but it makes a little bit more sense, I feel. We're going to represent the 5 new songs with 1 bar. So if this is the bar, she played 5 new songs. And for every 5 new songs, she always plays 2 old songs. So 5 new, 2 old. And we know she played 15 new songs. So 5 new songs and 2 old. So she's played 7. But she's only played 5 new songs, so she needs to play another 5 new songs, and then she'll play another 2 old songs. That's only 10 new songs. So then she played another 5 new songs, so she'll have to play another 2 old songs. So she's played 7. So she's now played 15 new songs, and she's played, well, I'll let you work out how many old songs and how many songs she's played altogether to find the final solution. Right, in this problem we've got Liam thinking of his number. So to represent that number, we're going to draw a bar. We don't know what that number is. What we do know is that he timed it by 5. So I'm going to draw 5 of them. So when he times it by 5, he would have got this other number here, which I'm representing on the top. We know that he took 60 away from this number here that he had. And when he did that, he was left with his original number, which means he must have taken away these 4 bars here. And we know that that is 60, and we're still left over here on the left with his missing number. Now we can see that 60 is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. So I need to divide 60 by 4. That will tell me what each of these is worth. That will then in turn tell me what this one is worth. And of course that's our solution. Right, so this problem we're talking about bread. We have got every 100 grams of brown bread contains 6 grams of fibre. So I'm going to draw 100 grams of bread. And in that 100 grams of bread, there are 6 grams of fibre. A loaf of bread weighs 800 grams and has 20 equal slices. How much fibre is there in each slice? So I could draw my whole loaf of bread as well. So I've got my whole loaf of bread. It's going to have to be quite a big one. I'm going to have to draw it slightly different scale to the other one. This loaf of bread is cut into 20 slices. It's got 800 grams and it has got 20 slices. Might be quite tricky to draw, but I'm going to try. So to work out how much fibre is in each of those slices, I need to work out how much fibre there is in this 800 grams. And to do that, I go back to the facts that we started with, which was 100 grams of bread is 6 grams of fibre. So I should be able to work out then that 200 grams will give me another 6. So here's 300 grams of bread, 400 grams of bread, 500 grams of bread, 600 grams of bread, 700 grams of bread, 800 grams of bread. And every time I have my 100 grams of bread on the top, it's giving me 6 grams of fibre here. So this bar represents 800 grams of bread, which of course is the same as my loaf of bread here. So I find out how much fibre is here. I can then substitute my 800 grams for how much fibre there is. And of course my fibre then is sliced up into 20 equal parts. So I need to take my fibre and slice it into 20 pieces. So how much fibre I've got divided by 20. That'll tell me how much fibre there is in each slice. Quite a lot of steps to this, so good luck, off we go. Our final problem here is relatively simple. We've got A and B standing for two different whole numbers. So the sum of all the numbers is 30. So we've got 30, and we have our three A's, A, and A, and then we have our two B's. We know A is a different whole number to B. And this is where we've got a question where it says, what could the values of A and B be? Which suggests to me that there is more than one possible answer. For this, we might need to start doing a little bit of trial and improvement, seeing if we can work out the answer. So if we have another layer, we can try numbers out in these boxes. So if, for example, A was 5, that would mean that all the A's together make 15, which would leave obviously 15 on the other side. 15 is made up of two B's, and 15 divided by 2 doesn't give us a whole number, so that can't be the solution. So I need to have another go. That's where the bar model comes in handy, because I can try things out, and I can try out my solution when I get it by putting the numbers in the bar, and if it doesn't work, then I know I've gone wrong somewhere. I need to try again. I need to try a different solution to the problem.